Hello, my name is Louise Kleitz and I am an artist participating in the Art in the Midst of Chaos art exhibition. Behind me is one of my works that I'm submitting to be part of the exhibition, and this is very appropriate for me for the Art in the Mist theme, because all abstracts are basically chaotic, and from that chaos you create a little bit of order and focal points, and through that you get structure, and that for me is what Art in the Midst of Chaos is all about. So with this painting I went for blues to create a sense of mist, and also what I've done is I've put more mist at the top and then grounded the whole work with the darker indigo colors at the bottom. And it's like driving through mist when you are on the road. Objects appear and they disappear, and they come to you and they disappear again. But if you look back at it, you did find your way, because you got all those key points. If you're driving, oh, here's the mountain that I always see, and here is the road that's turning to the left. So all those little markers are always there, despite the fact that we are in chaos and despite the fact that we are in the mist. So for me, all these markers are the patterns that I've worked into the abstract artwork. This is the second work of art, and this one is a photo of a house that's standing in the Goukou River near Stilbay. But I'm always fascinated with color, I'm always fascinated with light, and I do stained glass, lead glass work as well. So for me, the way glass falls through light, a light falls through glass, is how I see true color actually looks like. So I always try and break my light up in a pattern, and it's a chaotic process because everybody else will do a smooth color. I will try and break the color up. So this is another reason why I decided to use this, because for me this is a palette of chaos that actually happens, because the transition from going from day to evening is also a chaotic process. So Art in the Midst of Chaos is the inspiration that I find with the way light filters, and I've used the light at the top and I reflected it all the way at the bottom. So the creative process for me is always a disruptive process, but finding a still place in yourself where you can be creative, that causes the order in the chaos, and that for me is a little house that's in the center. And yet, if you are part of everything and you're observing it all, then you become part of the flow of the creative energy. So you'll see that there's a flow that runs through the artwork despite all the little bits that fragmented it. So that's what this is about.